All right, guys. So the next pick is Deals. Now, Deals is another gem that is around a million market cap right now. Let's go to stephdeals.org and let's see what it's about. So this is a secure end-to-end trading with privacy. They're going to do over-the-counter based trading so you can avoid all those expensive gas fees. So if you are a whale or not even a whale and just don't want to do all these expensive transfers, you basically can do it through their platform here. So let's go to the roadmap. Right now, they have a website launch, the deal token launch. The next phase is a private multi-chain over-the-counter exchange. Also, advisors onboarding, V2 release of DEX aggregator, more partnerships. Phase 3, V2 release of private over-the-counter exchanges, PR release, AMAs, revenue share initiations. Let's go to what is Steph Deals. Secure and private peer-to-peer platform designed to facilitate confidential trades and deals. It prioritizes user privacy and security, offering a seamless experience for individuals and businesses seeking a discrete environment for transactions. It is especially designed for internal over-the-counter for VCs, teams, institutions, and individual users. All right. What makes stealth deals different from other peer-to-peer platforms? Unlike conventional platforms, Project Stealth Deals focuses on creating a secure and confidential space for users. It combines encrypted communication, private listings, and secure payment mechanisms to offer a unique privacy-centric experience. Let's go to the user identities. Stealth Deals employs anonymity features to shield user identities during transactions while ensuring the necessary information for secure deals. The platform strikes a balance between privacy and the essential details required for successful transactions. This is awesome, guys. When the bull run hits, within the next year or two, gas prices are going to be ridiculous, and you're not going to be able to get the tokens that you want to get because the gas prices are going to be too high, especially when you want to trade. So this particular platform, Deals, is basically a Telegram bot. A lot of this stuff is dealing with Telegram. If you all don't know what Telegram is, you need to get hip what Telegram is. But this particular platform is going to give you anonymity and over-the-counter deals. What that means is, let's say I have Bitcoin in my wallet, you have Ethereum in your wallet. I want some of your Bitcoin, you want some of my Ethereum. We would have to go to a DEX or they call a centralized exchange, CEX, which is where you have to put in your personal information like Binance, like Coinbase, like crypto.com. Those are centralized exchanges, CEX, C, centralized exchange, EX. Decentralized exchanges, which are DEXs, use the blockchain through your wallet, MetaMask, blockchain wallet to interface with the blockchain, right? So what happens is you'll be able to put yourself in a position where you'll be exposed to gas fees on the blockchain because the blockchain requires you to use gas fees to use the platform. That's what the blockchain is. You have people who operate this blockchain and they get paid to operate the blockchain. That's pretty much how that works. But it's a lot of fees, and I'm talking about $50 per trade, approving different contracts on the blockchain. It could be $50 to $100 plus doing these gas fees to just do trades. Over the counter is basically just sending it to an address, and the address is just sent to you. The only thing you have to deal with is the small gas fee of a transaction and sending money to an address instead of having to deal with fees of the DEX, because the DEX, they have exchange fees and then you have gas fees. So it makes it pretty expensive. So I like deals. I like deals a lot. If we go to Stealth Deal, they are at 1 million market cap, and they're going to be doing revenue sharing. Revenue sharing is pretty dope because basically you're going to be able to hold the deals token and get paid in deals because of the fees, the small fees. They will be more than likely buying back deals and sending free deals to your address, to your wallet address that you have with the token in your wallet. They can do what's called a snapshot of the blockchain. They can see all the wallets that are in these specific who own a piece of these specific projects. That can see the wallets and do a snapshot and send deals and send tokens to you. That's an aspect of revenue sharing. Also gas fees and things like that. Small fees, like I said, on over-the-counter trading is not going to be that much. It's going to be a fraction compared to stuff. Market volatility, for sure, it mitigates that. Flash loans attacks, things like that. So that's pretty cool. And it's peer to peer, so you don't have to deal with anybody really in between. So I like it. I like deals for over the counter trading, guys. You might want to put this one on your list. We have a Telegram group, guys, that I've been picking different 10x to 100x picks in our Telegram group. If you all are interested, shoot me that DM anywhere on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, wherever you can find Mike Check Global. Shoot me a DM. Let me know if you guys want to get access to the Telegram. We have some holiday specials going on, and in the Telegram we go over potential 10x to 100x plays. Was basically if you put in $1,000, you could potentially make $10 to $100,000 in the bull run within the next 1 to 2 years. All right, guys, peace.